Are you tired of seeing inappropriate content on your Instagram Explore page and you want to see more of the content you actually want to consume or that you would want to consume? Well, in this video I'll show you a very quick tutorial on how to do it. And all I want from you is to like the video for the YouTube algorithm. Hey, I'm Dr. Niki. I talk about all things personal branding and making money online. So if you're new, make sure you subscribe to this awesome family-friendly YouTube channel where you don't have to hide your Explore page after watching. Me and my team have 2 video editors. We try to upload from 3 to 5 videos every single day. Yeah, I know that's a lot. And we want to take over the niche. We're busting everything we've got. That's what I wanted to say. Just to pump out good content. And I will shout you out in one of the next videos. All you gotta do is comment your Instagram username down below. I'll take it, I'll put it in the shoutout jar because you're awesome, and shout you out in one of the next videos, just like this. Okay, so the first thing you gotta do is, and I'll show you how to clear your Instagram, customize it, reset it, the Instagram Explore page, whatever you wanna call it, right here. So the first thing you gotta do is go on your profile here, click the 3 dashes, then click on settings, click on security, and this clear search history. Then you want to clear all your search history. This is the first step. The second step is you go on your Instagram Explore page, and from there you want to select what post you do not want to see. For example, do I want to see that? Probably not. So what you do is click on not interested. Do I want to see that? 3 dashes, not interested. And if you're interested in one of the posts, for example, there was a motivational one, you can like it and comment it. So Instagram understands that you want to consume more content just like this. Here you go, it was a very simple tutorial. If this video helped you out, make sure you like it. If you have any questions whatsoever, comment down below. I would love to help you out. And remember that a video a day keeps the doctor away, and by the end of this video, you should definitely check one of these 2 videos out. I'll probably choose this one though. See you next one, bye.